whether this works or not. At least I have the bench clean.
That's an unusual occurrence.
I know. All right. Okay, I've disconnected the antenna. Normally the antenna would be connected right here. And the radio starts up in CW mode. I'm putting it on AM mode so you can hear the difference. A little more volume. And, okay, that's CW. I have the function generator set to 30 kilohertz and 1 volt peak to peak, which is roughly 1 or 2 milliwatts. Alright, I'm going to change the frequency.
What exactly is this device?
Well, it's the SDR. It's a receiver, a long wave receiver. Okay. I'll bring it up to 30. Okay, now I have the receiver set to 30 kilohertz, which is the same as the function generator. The function generator's output is going to a loop stick, a ferrite loop antenna. So it's not directly connected to the receiver. Instead, it's like transmitting at a very, very low power. So I'm going to switch this on, and the receiver's picking up the tone. I'll turn the volume down a little. And for example, if I change the frequency, or I can do it in small steps. So that's the signal, RF signal at 30 kilohertz. Now I can try, let's go to 50 kilohertz. Whoops. What am I doing here? 10.
Do you have to press the screen that hard with the...
No, I mean, this little rubber thing is like, it's flexible. I don't think so. I mean, it's just the way I do it. Okay, 30, I'll go to 10 and go up by 10 to... you don't have to press hard if you hit the center of the button or whatever, but since I'm in a bad position here... Okay, 30, 40... Okay, that's 50 kilohertz. And it's the same thing, basically. Maybe a little louder. I think it's a little louder, 50 kilohertz.
What is the range on this?
It goes from 8 kilohertz, which is a very long wave, very low frequency, all the way to 900 kilohertz, which is the lower part of the AM broadcast band in the US. I'm going to go to 100 and up to, let's see, plus, to 10. Oh, that's 560. Well, there's a station there, but I don't have an antenna. I don't have any antenna, so I'll put the antenna on. I turn the volume down here. Alright. That's the ground.
You're going to explain what kind of antenna you're connecting?
That's a random wire.
How long is it?
A couple 100 feet. Oh, well, it's a little more than that. Oh, and just not on the frequency, on 570. So I have 560.
Running for president are gathering. This is what they call a political cattle call. Democratic hopefuls will take the stage in Cedar Rapids, Iowa this afternoon.
Okay, this is...
For 5 minutes and make their case to
When I'm off the station, you can hear that interference. That's something in the neighborhood, I think.
candidates are each trying to show off their message
Um,
and the support they have.
Let me go. You hear that?
Yeah.
Do you hear that on the short waves?
Yes.
You do? Okay, so that's something in the neighborhood. I don't know what it is. Okay, I'll go back to the station again. Although I really don't want to listen to the station, but it comes in pretty well. It's daytime when I'm doing this, so there's nothing on the long waves. Nothing below the U.S. broadcast band that I can pick up in the daytime. Alright, unplug it. I should maybe, before I do that, I should maybe point out a couple other things. Okay, this is the RF transformer. We also have a 50 ohm input here. So we could put a 50 ohm antenna on it. And then this is the anti-alias filter part right here. And the output from the SDR goes to what the designer, Mr. DeBenny, calls reconstruction filter. And that's this part. And then from here we go to amplified audio. And the SDR itself, of course, is in software in the microcontroller, which the microcontroller chip is underneath this board. You can't see it. Alright, that's basically it.